Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add the watermarks with date and time or model of your phone Oppo A16 to your photos. So first of all, go to your camera here. As you see, we are in camera, and now go to the settings, and there we have to search for the watermark here. And as you see, we can add the other mark of your device mode or a custom. Let's try with GSM div. Okay, and we can add the date and time. So let's try to making some photo with watermarks. And as you see, we have our model, our custom text here, GSM div, and there is gonna be date here. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe. I'll see you by next video. Hey!